friends, these are my finches. Their names are Ping Pong and Zigzag. They are the new addition to our family. Look how my Murphy takes care of my finches. He's so excited to listen to the chirping sound, the birds flying here and there. One morning, I saw a beautiful egg. Wow! I was so delighted to see the second egg in the second morning, friends. Wow! Also, friends, the third egg on the third morning, friends. Finally, it pushed the egg out of the cage. I'm so worried.